Latest 40 confirmed transfers 2025. Simon Adingra from Brighton to Sunderland. Joe Whitworth from Crystal Palace to Exeter City. Carl Perez from Celta de Vigo to RS Thessaloniki. Y. Gasiorowski from Eindhoven to PSV. Theo Hernandez from AC Milan to Al Hilal. Ciro Immobile from Besiktas JK to Bologna. Felipe Borden from Lazio to FC Sudferrol. Edin Dzeko from Fenerbahce to Fiorentina. C. Norgard from Brentford to Arsenal. B. Franjic from Wolfsburg to Venezia FC. Dennis Zittler from FC Ingolstadt 4 to Hoffenheim. Angel Correa from Atletico Madrid to Tigers UANL. Reyes Ely from OGC Nice to FC Empoli. Chiquinho from Wolves to FC Alverca. Marcel Lotka from Dortmund to Fortuna Düsseldorf. Anthony Elanga from Nottingham Forest to Newcastle United. Tyrone Barry from Villarreal to Everton. Nasser Jiga from Wolves to Rangers FC. Ramon Sosa from Nottingham Forest to Palmeiras. A. Virginius from Lille to Young Boys. Kempsdine Tolby from Club Brugge to Sunderland. Nicolas Noll from Hoffenheim to Hannover 96. Umar Sadiq from RCD Espanyol to Pau FC. Damian Downs from FC Colne to Southampton. Aaron Criswell from West Ham United to Stoke City. Emil Konradson from Sassuolo to Rosenborg. Matteo Raab from Hamburger SV to Union Berlin. Luis Opie from Arm Belfeld to FS St. Pauli. Elias Chaira from Girona to Real Oviedo. Matias Morino from Fiorentina to Levante. Borna Sosa from Ajax to Crystal Palace. Christian Coffin from Albacete to Bayer Leverkusen. C. Faletti from Cremonese to Mantova. Luan Patrick from Hellas Verona to Estrella Amadora. Alan Sherry from Cagliari to Frosinone. Nicolas Capaldo from RB Salzburg to Hamburger SV. Isaac Jensen from Rapid Vienna to OGC Nice. Eldor Shamusudov from AS Roma to Başakşehir. Mohamed Kudus from West Ham United to Tottenham. Leandro Paredes from AS Roma to Boca Juniors.